Alright y'all, so I showed y'all how to do my underlash application. I figured why not show y'all how to do like a quick strip lash application. So that's what we doing today.
I could break it down, take it back to the basics.
And first I like to line my lash line. Now this is an extra step I've been doing because typically I would do this with my lash glue, but sometimes like your lash doesn't go all the way to your inner corner, so sometimes I like to take eyeliner and like just line my lash line so that black line can continue all the way to my inner corner. Okay, so we got liner on our lash line. Now, one, make sure you are not allergic to latex or any of those things. Well, okay, this is latex free, but you want to make sure you know like if you're allergic to latex or not when it comes to whatever lash glue you're wearing. But I'm using the Lash Couture from Kiss, their strip lash adhesive, and I use the color black because clear does dry clear, but if any of your like foundation gets on that glue, then it kind of turns brown, and I don't like that. So I like using my my black lash glue because it just almost looks like eyeliner. And I like the brush on one because I can apply it like eyeliner. So I'm just applying this right on top of where I applied that right on top of where I applied the eyeliner. If you're a beginner, you want to start off doing one eye at a time because the glue does get tacky kind of fast, and you don't want to be rushing to get your lash down, or you don't want to get to putting your lash on and your glue already dry. So I just again went over that eyeliner with the lash glue, and for me, for extra security, I like to apply lash glue to the lashes. So you can use that same brush on lash glue for me because it's gonna dry quicker, because I used it in high school, and because I still use it sometimes today. I'm gonna be real with y'all, I be using hair glue. Now I know we gonna have the people in the choir shouting how this might not be safe for your eyes and all that stuff. I haven't had any issues using lash glue or hair glue on my lashes. Now, disclaimer, I'm not telling you to go do this. I'm just telling you what I do. So try it at your own risk. If you've done it before, you did it before, you could do it again. But yeah, please use your own judgment. Again, use the lash glue, but I'm just letting y'all know I do use hair glue when I'm trying to do like a quick lash application. The key to a successful strip lash application is to have some application tweezers and to use a mirror. So there's something that you can do that can help, which is uncurl your personal lashes. Especially if you got super curly lashes, you could go in and use your lash curler upside down and uncurl your lashes. That'll straighten out your lashes so you can see your lash band and apply your lashes accordingly. I don't have super curly eyelashes, so I'm not gonna do that. But for the purpose of this video today, I'm gonna get with applying the lash because my lash glue is already tacky. So there's two different types of lash application tweezers. You have the one that's straight like this. Some of them are curved, and then you have the actual curved one. I think the curved one is best for beginners because you can grab the lash just like this and you can apply it and then touch up the corners. So you want to get a mirror like this, and I know you can't see it in the camera, but you'll see it when you do this. Get the mirror, almost kiss the mirror, and look down into the mirror. When you look down into the mirror, you can see your entire lash line. You can place your lash literally directly on that lash line, and then all you have to do is make sure the corners are touching that glue that you applied in the lash line. And literally, boom, like that easy. That's how easy it is with these. And the trick, like I said, the main trick is one, to use some lash tweezers like this, and this is actually from a black owned lash brand called ITSMYRAYERAYE Lashes, or Mirror Lashes. But the key is to use the mirror, look down into the mirror, and then place the lash. So I'm gonna try to show y'all from the side so y'all can kind of see me placing it, but I'm kind of like going on top, pressing, because when you grip it in the middle, you can press that lash so the majority of the lash is connected to that glue on your lash line. Then you can go in and touch up the corners, because you want to make sure your corners are secure. So like this outer corner isn't secure all the way to the lash line, so you just pick it up. You pick it up and you place it on that lash glue. And you want to make sure when you're placing the lash, you're going on top of your lashes. You don't want your lashes getting in the mix, because when you do that, you can't get that lash band to your lash line. And then after you place them and it's like sticking all the way across, I give it a little minute to continue to get tacky and dry up a little bit before you start mashing your lashes with the fake lashes. And so when you do that, you're literally just mashing them at the lash line to make sure everything is just secured together. And then if you have excess glue on top, you can roll like your lash, your lid, your eyelid, that extra skin. You can roll that down, and then when you close your lash, your eye, then it just look like your lash is coming out of your eye. Now you do have to be careful rolling your extra lid skin down, because if you just got a lot of lash glue and you do that, when you open your eye, it's gonna lift the lash and it's gonna be like this, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure you let it get tacky first, and then start mashing the lash together and rolling that skin down just a touch. And that is how I apply my strip lashes, and it's been super easy. Every time I apply it with these tweezers and with this mirror like this, it applies super easy. So easy. I wonder if I could show y'all. Okay, so it would have to be the opposite way. So let me see. I'm gonna try and show y'all what I see. Okay, so y'all see that? When I look down, hopefully y'all can see, when I look down, that's what you see when you applying that lash. You applying it like that, right on top, like that. You can see it a lot better when you use that mirror down. And then of course, I'm gonna apply some mascara. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is how my strip lashes look, how they applied. I think they look good. They were quick and easy to do, so make sure you guys try out those different little tactics to try and apply your lashes easier. Like, this is so beginner friendly. Like, make sure you get your hands on a eyelash tweezer like this, and make sure you get your hands on just a little hand mirror and do this little tilt motion right here. Let me know if it changed the game for you, because it changed the game for me. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this beginner series video. I love y'all so very much. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I mean, get into the lashes. I done gave y'all 3 ways to do y'all lashes. Y'all, now I done taught you. Now y'all be a good student. Do your homework, practice. Be a good student athlete. Go home and practice. And then, like, tag me on Instagram if you slayed your lashes, girl. Like, and if you didn't and you got questions, put them in the comment section below. I'm here to help. I love y'all so very much. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself. And be you, Tiffo. Bye, y'all.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.